In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images with Google AI Studio. First, open your browser, head to Google AI Studio, and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace where creation happens. This is the area you'll use to turn a written idea, called a prompt, into a brand new image. Image generation in AI Studio is prompt-driven, which means the quality of your result depends on how clearly you describe what you want. Think about your subject, the background, the mood, and any standout details. In the prompt box, I'll write, generate an image of Itachi's crows, the Sharingan, and a red full moon in the background. That description gives the model a subject, key visual elements, and a focal point, so it knows what to emphasize. After you type your prompt, submit it. Now be patient. Rendering can take a little while, especially if the prompt includes a lot of detail or if the servers are busy. That delay is normal. Behind the scenes, the model is interpreting your words, deciding on composition, and synthesizing the final image. Give it a moment to finish. When the image appears, check how well it matches your description. If you want a tighter match, the most effective strategy is usually to clarify the prompt rather than rewrite it from scratch. Keep the core idea, but add precise language about style, colors, perspective, or lighting. For instance, words like dramatic, cinematic lighting, close-up portrait, or wide shot with a crimson night sky can help guide the composition. Avoid conflicting instructions in the same sentence, and keep the most important details early in the prompt so the model prioritizes them. If your prompt is correct and specific, the image will be generated by Google's AI engine as requested. Remember, the more clearly you describe the subject, the scene, and the atmosphere, the more accurate your result will be. Simple, direct phrasing tends to work best, and keeping the description focused helps the model stick to your vision. And that's how to generate images with Google AI Studio. Sign in, describe the image you want, submit, and wait for the model to deliver. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.